What's up, guys? AK with the CC train. Today is not big fan of unboxing, just like opening and check this out. Nice scale train model, but sometimes you might learn first time here how to open it. Not without like putting finger and kind of bend it. It will be absolutely clean opening. Just need to pull those locks with the tweezer. Tweezers can be different, not necessary to be just like with that angle. And thanks guys for letting me review your models. Be careful because a lot of detailed parts might just pop up right there. You saw it, right? So that's a good example too. Clean, nice workbench or table. Better put some white stuff because some detailed parts or some parts from the model actually you see in the box. So anyway, that's cool. Yeah, be careful with that brake wheel and small, really cool detail parts here. Okay, let's see. So I'm opening first time with you. Those holders. You see my fingers right now, but it's okay, we'll move them. Yeah, it's metal, very nice. Look at this, so cool. Color, I like the color. Maybe camera is not like web camera especially. It's good, nice. My newer camera, not I try to adjust it. Yes, maybe it's a little bit yellowish in my monitor, so it's again in real life everything different, how lights wow, that's really nice. So let's do this print screen as usual. Look, details here. Oh, and thank you for membership. A little bit more, I'll get another high resolution camera for details. I have another one, but it's not so good. Look at this. Really nice. Couplers. So good. Those hoses. Nice. Really cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching, supporting business. If you want to support channel, here's Patreon page, or you can join membership. I'm doing a lot of installation, actually bringing videos very soon. So thanks again and have a good one. Bye bye.